Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Today, where are we going now? We are going to Babakan, Siliwangi. Okay, we arrived at Babakan, Siliwangi. Do you want more information about this place? Check it out. Place Babakan Siliwangi. The first one is don't bring your motorcycle, don't play skateboard, and then don't bring your bicycle. Okay, let's enter the Babakan Siliwangi. If you want to go this place, you just pay the parking ticket. It's just around 5,000 rupiah. There is no specific restaurant in here, but if you want to eat something, you can go to this corner because there is so many traditional food from Bandung. There is bakso cuanki, bakso tahu, rujak, ceker, and also cilor and lumpia basah. There is so delicious food. Then you can see the Saraga ITB swimming pool from Babakan Siliwangi area. You can see in this video there is a Saraga ITB swimming pool and also the soccer field and then the Sabuga building. That is here. So many kind of trees in here, and all of trees in here is so high. You can see my hand cannot touch the leaf. That is so high. Okay, why this wood is so slippery? You can see at this video. No. Having an area of no less than 3.8 hectares, Babakan Siliwangi area is formed by a river valley. At the time of Dutch colonialism, Babakan Siliwangi had already existed and was known as the Greenbelt area of Bandung City by the name of Lebak Gede. Around the 20s, the government at the time planned for Babakan Siliwangi to be used as city forest as well as an open plantation for the people. In the 90s, when Sasana Budaya Ganesha area was established, the Babakan Siliwangi area was further developed. Around 2011, the United Nations declared Babakan Siliwangi as one of the world's urban forest sites. Then, on October 18, 2013, in accordance with the law which mandates that EZD has a green space of 30%, Babakan Siliwangi also regained its role as the lungs of the Bandung city. So, information about Babakan Siliwangi, if you are looking for spot attraction, this place can be a. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and bye-bye. Okay, there are temples. Hello. You just pay the. Oh, pay the entry fee. Just pay your entrance ticket. Parking ticket. This is so slippery. Oh man. There is the secret attraction at Babakan Siliwangi area. Let's go, bro. Let's go.